Hello, Boombox lovers. Got another JVC Rc-838 here for you. This one was a tough one. It fought me all the way to get running again, but it didn't give up on her. She's a little bit banged and bruised up, but still a nice working unit. The back is clean. The aerials are good and straight. So, what did we do with this one? Well, again, balance was an issue, bass and treble, volume, I took that apart as well too, and so all the sliders have been reinforced, refurbished. Got our light working there. Yeah, so also did a Bluetooth receiver in it with a ground loop isolator, DC to DC converter. So very, very faint buzzing there, but not too bad. Let's hear the tape, will we? Verse is okay. Gets a little bit slow when it goes to the far more to the one side, but fast forward's good and fast. So that bit of buzzing there, that's the ground loop. There's a bit of ground loop noise, but there's some copyright-free music.
Sportsnet
Radio.
Grilling the perfect steak takes time,
Good and clear.
skill, and precision.
Line in. No issues cranking it. And there it is. So it'll be up for sale on my YouTube. Oh gosh, my eBay which is pastime stuff. Past_time_stuff. Thanks for watching.